so we're back down here to test out the jet boat again. I've now got a 3S battery in here, but I'm actually running the original speed controller I have. I tested it out with the 3S battery, and it seems to run fine with that battery. As you can see, the creek has quite a bit more water going through it as we had some good rain last night, so I couldn't get back to where I was when I shot the last video with the jet boat. But let's just see how it handles this short little section here. Gotta be careful I don't let it go downstream too far. Oh, that's so much better. That handles so much better than it was before on 2S. Of course, now I'm on a little sandbar. It handles so much nicer now though. Well, that's working a lot better. Let's just check to see if we're filling this thing with water or not. Very curious about that. Yeah, we got a little bit in there. Not a huge amount though. But I thought that might happen. Guaranteed it's coming in right here through the seal. That's not too bad though. Let's get it back in the water. So that was a lot better than the last time I had this out with the 2S and the other speed controller, and we just lost all power. This thing felt really great out there. You could probably tell I was quite enjoying it. Now right after I did get done filming that, I did have one slight problem where the motor just died, and I was just like, oh great, now something else is wrong. However, it turned out that just one of the connectors had broken free, so I've soldered that back on, and now this thing's ready to go again. Here is the battery I was using, this 3S 1300 milliamp hour battery. Worked quite good as you saw. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this jet boat actually work properly. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, make sure to leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.